Menta ke janmit haka review meeting ngila shim ya karai bahaka bedei bat ke lockdown ka badai bankut haka shipau trik san baji men step nreina kaliang jongka sarkar kamban sesu ngishim ya karai naman ngiyo i ya ke jingkeu stet ki case hapo is khasils jongi barok kawai kumtang la shim ya karai bahkan ni ke lockdown kan beteng om shu tang haka shipau trik san baji men step ngin beteng biang sasitayo bat kan kut hadu ka khat nyau trik san baji men step bat ru ngin sashim biang ya karai hadin katu kan nisngi ya ka ka badon kamban le na ka benta ka jingpha jong ki paj ba ka is khasi hills bat kum juru na ka benta ka jingbit ki jingbiang ki paj ba jong ka jelame kala jungi barok ka wei form that decision has been taken again. Number 1, lockdown will continue in East Khasi Hills district. Lockdown will continue till next Monday, 5 a.m. The lockdown in East Khasi Hills will continue till 5 a.m. morning. Why we have taken this decision? Because, as I've already told you, the situation is so serious and very, very grim. Therefore, I would request all the citizens of the district, East Khasi Hills, to bear and to be with us together in fighting the COVID-19.